Frame 4. He went to a Norway cafe. Narration. He went to a Norway cafe because he had seen Sarah named Derry before. Dialogue. Edgar, excuse me, do you know someone named Sarah? Description. The cafe worker recognized the name. Narration. The worker recognized her because she had visited the cafe many times. Dialogue worker. Yes, she comes here every day. Description. Sarah arrived at the cafe looking worried. Narration. Sarah arrived and looked nervous because she had lost her wallet earlier. Dialogue. Sarah. I can't believe I lost it. Description. Edgar returned the wallet to Sarah. Narration. Edgar gave her the wallet. Sarah. She was revealed because she had been searching for it all afternoon. Dialogue. Sarah. Thank you so much. Edgar. No problem. Description. They smiled and talked together. Narration. They talked for a while. Edgar felt happy because he had helped someone. Dialogue. I really appreciate it. Edgar, I'm just glad I found you.